We live in a state where it's pro-mom, anti-dad.
So often we get unmarried dads. And what we mean by that is you have a father and a mother, they dated, they just never got married. And the scenario we see consistently is they break up, for whatever reason, but they're co-parenting. Often the co-parenting is going to start out really, really amicable, which is great. But for one reason or another, usually dad gets a new girlfriend. Suddenly mom's saying, you know what? You're not going to see the kids anymore, or you're going to see the kids during a limited amount of time, etc., etc. What happens is the father suddenly realizes they have no rights, and they've tried to be amicable. They've tried to work with the mother, because they're co-parenting, but now it's affecting parenting time, and they actually want to do something. So what the father finds out quickly is, number one, what am I supposed to do? And then they start to hear things from their buddies. We live in a state where it's pro-mom, anti-dad, so we get tons of these, and that's why I'm bringing up these facts, because it's something we see consistently day in and day out. The reality is the court system can actually be very beneficial to a father, but you have to go through the hoops first. And whether the father represents himself or whether they get a great attorney to represent him through the entire case, once you have a court system protecting the father's parenting time with the children, the great thing is, let's say the mother in the future decides to want to go a different direction, now we have an entire court order protecting the father, protecting the children. And what we're ultimately shooting for is we want to make sure that at the end of the day, the father's parenting time with the children is protected, so those children have the right to grow up with their father. If you have any other questions, please feel free to give us a call or click on the link below, and we'd love to talk to you about your case. Thank you.